Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Home menu. Let's begin. There are 7 sections. First section is Clipboard. Second section is Font. Third section is Alignment. Fourth section is Number. Fifth section is Styles. Sixth section is Cells. And seventh section is Editing. Let's begin with first section, that is Clipboard. We can cut. Under Copy, we can copy or copy as picture. Under Paste, we can paste. Paste formulas and number formatting. Keep source formatting. No borders. Keep source column widths. And transpose. Under Paste Values, we can paste values. Paste values and number formatting. Paste values and source formatting. Under Other Paste Options, we can paste formatting, link, picture, and link picture. Under Paste Special options are all, formulas, values, formats, comments, validation, all using source theme, all except borders, column widths, formulas and number formats, values and number formats, and all merging conditional formats. Under Operations, options are none, add, subtract, multiply and divide. We can skip blanks and transpose. Also, we can paste link. Next option is Format Painter, which is used to copy formatting from one part of document to another part. Under Clipboard, we have Paste All and Clear All. Additional options in Clipboard are Show Off as Clipboard automatically. Show Off as Clipboard when Ctrl and C press twice. Collect without showing off as Clipboard. Show Off as Clipboard icon on taskbar. Show status near taskbar when copying. Next section is Font. We can change font size, increase font size, decrease font size. We can change text to bold, italic, and underline. We can apply underline or double underline. Next option is Borders. Under Border, we can apply bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, outside borders, thick outside borders, bottom double border, thick bottom border, top and bottom border, top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border. Under Draw Borders, we can draw border grid, erase border, set line color, line style. Under More Borders, we can apply line style and color. We can define presets, border and see preview. Next option is Fill Color. We can fill cells with theme colors, standard colors, no fill, or using more colors. Under More Colors, we can set standard color or custom colors with red, green and blue combinations. Next option is Font Color. We can use theme colors, standard colors, and more colors. More options under Font are Font, Font Style, Font Size, Underline, Font Color. We can use normal font. We can apply effects like strike-through, superscript and subscript. Also, we can see preview. Next tab is Alignment. We can apply top align, middle align, bottom align. Under Orientation, we have angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down and format cell alignment. Align left. Align center. Align right. Decrease indent. Increase indent. We can wrap text. Under Merge and Center, we have Merge and Center, Merge Across, Merge Cells and Unmerge Cells. Under More Alignment Options, we can set horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and set indent. Under Text Control, options are Wrap Text, Shrink to Fit, Merge Cells. Under Right to Left section, we can set text direction as context, left to right or right to left. We can set custom orientation by giving angle in degrees. Next section is number. We can define number formats like general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text and more number formats. We can set accounting number format, percentage style, comma style, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Under more number formats, we have general. Under number, we can set decimal places, use 1000 separator, and define negative number format. Under currency, we can set decimal places, select symbol, and define negative number format. Under accounting, we can set decimal places, and select symbol. Under date, we can set date type, and locale or location. Under time, we can set time type, and locale or location. Under percentage, we can set decimal places. Under fraction, we can set fraction type. Under scientific, we can set decimal places. Text. Under special, we can set type, and locale or location. Under custom, we can select custom type, delete custom types. Next section is styles. Under conditional formatting, we can highlight cell rules, top or bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. We can define new rule. Under clear rules, we have clear rules from selected cells, clear rules from entire sheet, clear rules from this table and clear rules from this pivot table. Also, we can manage rules. Under Format is Table, we can select table format, create new table style, or create new pivot table style. Under Cell Styles, we can use built-in cell styles, create new cell style, and merge styles. Next section is Cells. Under Insert, we can insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns and insert sheet. Under Delete, we can delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns and delete sheet. Under Format, we can format cell size using options row height, auto-fit row height, column width, auto-fit column width and default width. Under Visibility, hide and unhide, we have hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet, unhide rows, unhide columns and unhide sheet. Under Organize Sheets, we have rename sheet, move or copy sheet and we can define tab color using theme colors, standard colors, no color or more colors. Under Protection, we can protect sheet, lock cell, and format cells. Next section is editing. Under AutoSum, we have sum, average, count numbers, max, min or more functions. Under Fill, we have options down, right, up, left, across worksheets, series, justify and flash fill. Under Clear, we have clear all, clear formats, clear contents, clear comments, clear hyperlinks and remove hyperlinks. Under Sort and Filter, we have Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, Custom Sort, Filter, Clear Filter and Reapply Filter. Under Find and Select, options are Find, Replace, Go to Special, Formulas, Comments, Conditional Formatting, Constants, Data Validation. We can select objects. A new selection pane, where we can show all selection and hide all selections. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.